Hello friends, Joel here, welcome back. If you like pumpkin pie the way I love pumpkin pie, you're going to love this recipe. It's easy, delicious, let's get to it. All right, so let's put it together. So first you want to start with 15 ounces of pumpkin puree, and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna mix. So I have 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk. Okay, we're gonna mix this well. I probably should have grabbed the bigger bowl, but I think we can make it. We can manage. You won't tell anyone, right? If something falls out, you saw nothing. You say nothing. Well, TV magic. His bowl's bigger. I switched the bowl when you weren't looking. I needed something bigger. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and mix. I have a 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar. Mix that in. I'm gonna go ahead and add, so I have, here I have a cup of heavy cream and a 1/2 cup of milk. I threw it in the microwave for a minute 30 seconds because I want it. Let me give you a key of pumpkin pie. You want the filling to be warm before you put it in the oven. It will help the baking process, and it also it intensifies that pumpkin flavor in the pie. Trust me, you want to do it this way. Okay, now I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. The salt helps balance those flavors together. Okay, mix it well. Okay, now I'm gonna pour in a saucepan, and I'm gonna put it on the stove just to get it heat up. And once starting to kind of sort of bubble up, we're gonna go ahead and pour in the pie shell. All right, so this pie filling, it's just about done. I'm using my own pie shell. You can do store-bought, but I baked my own. You can watch my pie crust recipe video, and now I'm going to pour it in. So once you see the first kind of like bloop bloop, burps, kind of bubbles, that's when you know it's ready and ready to pour. Let's pour it in. And it's all in there. And you want to tap it a couple times to get those bubbles out of there. And you're going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. I'm going to cover it with my aluminum foil because this is a part-baked pie shell and I don't want it to over-baked. So I'm going to cover it to protect it. And it's just basically just kind of just sit on top and just fold it over to kind of just cover just the outer edges of the pie. Maybe in about 30 minutes you're going to check it, and you're going to check for color. If you feel like it could get a little darker, then you can go ahead and remove it. Well, let's see. It's not working. Come on. There we go. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. gorgeous. Look at that color, look at that crust. So now you want to go ahead and let it rest. Before you cut into this, you want to let it rest fully till it's completely room temperature. And then time to dig in. Oh wait, or you wanted me to wait for you? I'm sorry. This pie is so delicious. It's so creamy. The crust is so flaky, buttery. And this whipped cream that I made, it's just a cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and between you and I, a tablespoon of bourbon. Oh, it's good. This pie is delicious. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button and please subscribe, but most importantly, don't forget to treat yourself to a little goodness. Want a bite?